and thanks for your time. So could you tell us something about the Fayat Group Equipment India?
So if you look at the Fayat Group, it is a global group focused on road construction equipment, and we have many popular brands in India like Dynapac, 𝒂𝒚𝒂𝒕, we have Marini, we have PTC, which we are showing here, 𝒂𝒂𝒂𝒕, and all brands are leaders in the area that they operate, and we are trying to give a comprehensive solution to all national highway and contractors who are into heavy construction work.
So sir, what are new products you are exhibiting at 𝒂𝒂𝒚?
This 𝒂𝒂𝒚, we wanted to give our customers, first of all, the confidence that we are all coming together to give a comprehensive interaction from the group. So all brands coming together and offering a seamless connection with our customers. Number two, I think we are doing a lot of work on recycled asphalt, which is a top topic today, where government is pushing a lot of initiatives towards ensuring that we reduce the use of fresh aggregates and we do recycling. And there, 𝒂𝒚𝒂𝒃 has milling machines, and we have the asphalt plant with recycling available, and we have the paving and the compaction available from Dynapac and 𝒂𝒚𝒂𝒃. So it's potentially we are giving absolutely the right combination for today's customers. Another initiative that we look at is that today the country has multiple types of projects, small to medium to big, and we have a very extensive portfolio of products. And over the last 5 years, we have extended our portfolio in India, and that allows people to choose the right machine for the right job. Okay, so we look at optimized machines. That means that you don't have to buy a big machine for a small job anymore, but you can buy your right machine that will reduce your investment and also running cost, thereby giving you a much more efficient construction cost to compete in the future market. Okay.
So sir, Government of India is coming with multiple policies for highway projects and road projects.
Yeah.
How do you see the road construction industry is evolving?
Yeah, I think today Government of India is, of course, coming with a lot of initiatives on road, where the highway construction will continue to work both for 4-lane, 6-lane and 8-lane roads. So which means that you need big machines. And we have the biggest plants available to do this kind of asphalting work. We have the biggest pavers available of 13.5 meters to do this kind of work, along with the compactor that you need. On the other side, we also have machines that fits development of airports. As you know, government has put a lot of effort on developing new airports. So we are part of building new airport projects today. To example, we have laid the Ahmedabad airport runway, we have laid the Cochin airport runway, the Goa airport. So that's another very impressive area where investments are coming. We also see a lot of metro projects coming up, and PTC especially are very effective solution when it comes to driving piles for building metros or building coastal roads. Like in Bombay, you see coastal road projects. So we are coming with solution that will allow construction of these new infrastructure that India is investing in.
So sir, how are you incorporating automation and electrification in your equipments?
If you look at electrification, we look at it as a challenge for the future. As a group, we have a net zero policy where we want to go towards machinery that creates less emission. Okay, so the group has invested into technologies which are hybrid, which are in CNG, which are electrical. Okay, so we can offer multiple options there. When it comes to electrification, we offer electrification in areas where it's operating in a very confined space, But when you go to road building, you're going into very far away places where charging is not possible. So there we are trying to give other options like hybrid or like a solution which are more efficient engines, So as a group, we have all the solutions, and we are doing a lot of collective development on these areas, and we share technology between the different brands that allows us to come with what is today the best in the world. So we have fully electric pavers, fully electric rollers, we have fully electric machines for airport application, We have also asphalt plant that's running on green hydrogen. We have wood. So there are different burners that we have to create low emission. And on top of that, the burner that we sell in India for 𝒂𝒂𝒕 plant is one of the most efficient burners. So when you look at environment, we are very heavily committed to that. I think that's digitalization as a topic is a core in the future development, because what you can do with small devices today is phenomenal. So most machines are coming with telematics, and what we do with telematics is a lot to do with maintenance. So telematics actually is pushing information about the machine, and we have websites where we are able to pop up service requests, and from that we are generating emails to customers to kind of go for maintenance at the right time. So we have this infrastructure ready. It is being today provided on bigger machines, not on all machines. But I think potentially, if we can, I would say, if the investment is high, then we put a full telematic solution. On a smaller investment, we are trying to give more a locator solution or something that will allow us to follow the machines closely. Yeah.
So how do you see trends like hybrid engines and alternative fuels changing the industry?
We started the discussion about engine sizes at least 3 years back. Because if you look at a soil compactor, which is the highest selling machine for our road industry, everybody was selling 100 HP to 110 HP soil compactor. So Dynapack decided to go for a 74 HP soil compactor. By doing that, what we did was we reduced the power required, thereby the consumption of fuel came down. At the same time, we took out AdBlue from the equation, because in the bigger engine you need AdBlue. The smaller one you don't know. So for last 3 years, we have developed that sale and customers love it. I think now I see a lot of industry colleagues are also looking at that solution. So one way of optimizing the engine is to reduce your load on the machine, and second way of optimizing the engine is to go hybrid. So that's another solution that we look at, where if you can go with a smaller engine with a hybrid, we can also reduce the size of the engine. So as an industry, we have to cut the power and do more with less power, and that's the agenda we have in all our developments.
So that's great, sir. As we all know, India is stepping towards 𝒂𝒂𝒏𝒕 Bharat mission.
Yeah.
So what are your company's goal and the major challenges?
In 𝒂𝒂𝒏𝒕 Bharat, I think apart from bringing technology, it's very important is training. So 𝒂𝒐𝒏𝒕 is the organization that is bringing all the construction equipment manufacturers together. So there under 𝒂𝒐𝒏𝒕 we have a organization called IESC, which is basically working on training, and that's a very good initiative by all manufacturers to standardize training and offer operators training and maintenance training. So I think that's a big area where all companies should invest, because if you have good machine but don't know how to use it best, you will not deliver quality. So that is one area where we focus a lot going forward. Second is, of course, capacity building. Indian market will grow, so we are building higher capacities. So we have future plans to expand our capacities, and also Indian products are being demanded globally. We are one of the biggest exporters of road machinery, so I think there also we have brought Indian Make in India brand to many countries in the world, which is also contributing to 𝒂𝒂𝒏𝒕 Bharat, because at the end of the day we create higher capacity. And not only manufacturing, we also are building a big engineering capacity, and we have almost a 200-seater engineering center here in Bangalore, where we do global engineering. So we are investing in engineering, we are investing in manufacturing, we are also investing in IT. So what we are creating here is a platform that can support India but also the globe. So potentially a lot of capacity building, that is good for the future.
That's all from us. And do you want to address something more?
I think, yeah, I would say that for me, 𝒂𝒐𝒏𝒕 is a very nice forum to bring all industry colleagues and customers together. I think it's we already saw a lot of collaboration in last 2 days. Collaboration not just from customer but also from I think universities and people who want to do something for the industry. So I say that these interactions are good for the future development, because we come here and get new ideas, and like meeting in engine manufacturers, we get new ideas. Meeting hydraulic manufacturers, we get new ideas, and we go back with a lot of new topics to work on. So it's a good couple of days here. Well, as I said, the Fayat group has a very strong plan for India, and that's why my job in India is to bring all Fayat group companies together and consolidate. So we are looking at. So if you look at it, in 2019 we built the engineering center, and we are doubling it every 3 years, in terms of size. We are IT center that we built is supporting SAP worldwide, and also we are growing there very fast. And similarly, Fayat Group is investing on a large manufacturing in Pune, and at the moment it's a project which we are working on, and I think we can come to the press when we have more solid plans to share.
So thanks for your time. It's great interacting with you.
Thank you.
For the
Thank you.
insightful.
Thank you very much.